been a long day at work. Time to go inside. Oh yeah, I forgot. I gotta bring them out. Alright, I'm here. There you go. Like, is here act normal. Hey. Let's see if they're in here. Hello? Oh, there you guys are. I'll take one of you guys. What? No. Not that. Dang it, the freaking door broke. There you go. Alright. Hey! Oh crap. Okay, here, real quick. Close the freaking door. I'll grab you. So, you think you can escape from me? Get in there. Get back in there. Yeah, don't even think about going back out here again. Now I gotta close it. There we go. This time I have an idea. I'll block it. The crate with even more of your kind. There you go. Alright, we'll see you later. I'm gonna go. Skitty. Why you're so laggy? Alright, there you go. Sorry. Every single day. I gotta get out of here. But how? Oh, by the way, here's another box. Dang it. Oh, I might help! Be quiet. My eye. My singular eye, Stop, my floor. I'm pressing during your eye. Wait, what? Oh, my eye. Hey. I can't do it. Just go. Can't get out. He's dead. He's actually dead. Wait. Wait a minute. Without that, then that means. Dang it! I made it harder for me. No! Get me out! Get me out! Get me out! I'm stuck. What am I gonna do? I guess I'll never know. I need to go to bed. I might. Oh, don't worry. Oh, don't worry. You'll be fine. What? Aha, I'm like, your fighting ain't broke. You can't tell me now. Dang it. Dang it. Okay. Well, I got 2 knives. Oh, what's that gonna do? Oh, there you go. Alrighty. Maybe like one more, like maybe like right here. Okay. Oh my. Let's put those like that. My. Yep. Oh, he's dead. Don't need these anymore to hide the evidence. And now, all I need to do is just grab him by the head. Alright, let's go. Let's go, fellow steak. We are going to send you to a place where you can rest. Right. Whoa, hold on. That was pretty easy. Alright. Now it's up to the next one. Okay. Let's go. Meanwhile, hey! I hear him. I'm out. Hey! Get back over here, you stupid! Stupid little steak. Really thought you could escape from me? I don't think so. Anyway. Will you find a normal place? I go steak. Let's go. I said shut up. Clean this up after I put you inside. At the house. Where am I? What is this? A board? I don't get it. Huh? What's this? What the? What is hot sauce? What? What? Huh? A bomb? I don't know what to do. I'm scared. Whoa! Okay, I don't think so. No, let me out, let me out. What? No, no. Huh? Ah! Whoa. I'm burning. I'm burning. It looks like he touched the hot sauce. I accidentally stepped on it. How can you even step on it? You're a freaking steak. Also, how can I hear you through the wall? Your walls are really, really hollow. And also really skinny. Yeah, I have a really cheap house. You do. I'm turning dark. Oh, there's so much pain. Oh, just end my life. Oh. Yeah! Someone help me. Help. Hey, do me a favor. Yeah. Press that, you know that bomb? Yeah. Good, cause, I want to do one more thing before you die.